How to send WhatsApp to someone not in your contacts. First of all, go ahead and copy that specific number that is not saved onto your device. As you can see, once the number is copied, if they have WhatsApp account, you should be able to send them message via WhatsApp even without saving them onto your contacts. So simply go ahead and open the WhatsApp application itself, tap on this search bar, then paste their copied phone number. And as you can see, if this particular number has WhatsApp account, you should be able to find this chat option. Simply tap on this chat icon. From here, tap on this message box and send them message. Once you send your message, recipient will be able to accept your message request. Once you accept it, you can have conversations with them, and you can find your conversations as well over here in this main chat option. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.